Hi guys, T and Beauty here with another video. So today we are going to be doing some braided hairstyles. Um, Hairstyles that you can wear every day. You could change it on up. So let's just get right into the first style. Now this style is really simple. Here I am with my it's a gel. I got the brand, but all the products will be listed down below, so don't worry, I got you. So here I am just showing you all the products. Not my toothbrush, just for the hair, and a comb, and clip, and bobby pins, whatever pins that is. So first, you apply the gel to your edges, and you just want to make sure it's totally slicked back. What I recommend, once you add the gel, you kind of tie your hair down so it will stay even more slick while you're getting dressed. And this is the style, just lay it back. Next, what I'm doing here, I am actually moving the hair, some hair to both sides, and then the remainder goes to the back. Again, you always want to make sure your edges are well slicked down. And that's the finished look. Give you guys a 360. Now this next style, what I'm doing here, from the hair to the side, I'm kind of twisting, just twisting the hair, just twisting the braid, I should say, twisting, and just grab a set of braid and just keep twisting, twisting, twisting. And once you get to the back, you don't have to twist, you're not going to twist all the way down, but what you're going to do, don't do what I'm doing, but you need like a clamp. You just hold the hair down. Fortunately I didn't have one with me at the time, so I have to try and pull it off. So what I did, what you want to do next, once you clamp that side down, is on the next side you twist the hair from the sides and pull it to the back and join it with the other hair that you should already have clamped down, and you just get your scrunchie and you attach them both together. I'm gonna just show you in a minute. See, you just attach it both together. It's not difficult, trust me, it's really not difficult. And this can be worn anywhere, even to a wedding. You have your braids and you just want it, it's really cute. It's a really cute style. Always make sure the edges are slick. Just me acting silly. This is what happens when you're watching African movies, okay? Give you the African vibes. But that's a really cute style for any occasion. So I did change my lengths because it was a little bit too dark, and I know you could change your ISO, but there was more reasons to it why I changed the lens. So this is the kit lens that I'm really using. So this is another style. What I did, I just pulled the ones from the side up and just put my scrunchie or my hair tie and just pull the hair down, and that's another style. I mean, just as simple, very simple, very simple. here I'm gonna just twist the top into a bun. You know, I also want to explain, and I'm using the pin. I don't know, that's not a bobby pin. I'm just using the pin to pull the hair down. But I want to say, you know, you get the best styles when your braided hair is a couple weeks out, meaning you're growing out roots. It's much easier to manage. So yeah, your hair, it's much easier to manage when your hair is a couple weeks old. You really don't want to mess with your hair when you just got it braided. It's gonna hurt, and you need to save your edges. So here I am pulling the hair all in one, like into a big bun. So what I did, I just pulled those two down to the side. That's another style. Who would have thought? Huh. So what I'm doing here, I'm wrapping, I divided here in two, as you saw earlier that it was divided in two, and I'm wrapping one side around, and I'm wrapping the other one around also, around the same side where I wrapped the first set of hair. You just want to tuck it under, make sure it's all tucked in under. And then you get your little accessories, and you accessorize the hair. You don't have to put any accessories in your hair at all. You know, all these styles are very simple, not much effort needed, to be honest. Well, here I am doing a little bit more, you know, trying to show you guys how you could wear this to school. Look, this is a to school style, and here it is. Nice braided. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so we have come to the end of this video. This is everybody style, really. Everybody like this. Who don't? I know I do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell. It's like trying to remember all these things. It's kind of crazy, huh? But yeah, so comment down below which style you guys like or which style you have tried. Alright, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. You guys be blessed. Bye.